Great meals take moments, and this moment is for you. Let's cook
Every
together.
great recipe starts with courage, the courage to try, to learn, and to believe that something simple can turn into something special because in this kitchen, we don't just cook food, we cook patience, growth, and the quiet reminder that you don't need perfection to create something truly delicious. As this meat pie comes together step by step, remember that life works the same way. Slow movement, gentle effort, and the consistency always bring the best results.
So never rush your journey or doubt your process, because even the small actions done with love can create something unforgettable. We are still doing our filling for our meat pie. This video is more than a recipe. It's proof that creativity doesn't need expensive ingredients, just passion, dedication, and a willing heart. And every golden bite of this meat pie tells a story of effort, learning, and the joy of turning simple ideas into something warm, satisfying, the worth sharing with the world. This moment again is not just about making meat pie, it's about believing in yourself enough to start, trusting your hands even when you are still learning, and finding joy in the quiet process of turning simple ingredients into something comforting, beautiful, and full of meaning. Okay, so our one portion meat pie filling is done. So the next will be our meat pie dough. So watch me as I'm preparing my meat pie dough. As the dough folds and the filling comes together, let this remind you that life doesn't need to be rushed or perfect to be rewarding, because every gentle effort, every patient step, and every mistake you learn from is shaping something greater than you imagine. I added the vinegar because of the egg. You know, egg, it smells. A pinch of salt. This is my egg here. We are using oil. This video is a reflection of love, patience, and creativity, showing that with dedication and hearts, even the simplest method can produce something flaky, satisfying, and unforgettable. And every golden layer of this meat pie tells a story of growth, resilience, and the beauty of creating with purpose. So our dough is done mixing. We are coming to roll and cut. As I roll this dough gently, I am reminding that every dream needs patience and a soft touch, because the more care you give, the smoother the journey becomes. Each cut is a decision, a reminder that shaping your path takes courage, and even simple choices can lead to something beautiful, as you can see on the screen. So I'm filling inside with the meat filling. I don't want too much, a little inside. Then I use my fingertip to shape it nicely in my own desirable shape I want. So if you are still watching, you can see it's very simple. You can try this in the house and see how it will be. I roll the dough slowly, letting it breathe under my hands, reminding myself that gentle effort shapes the strongest foundation. Yeah, so I'm putting the filling inside a little by little because I don't want too much veggie. So I put a little, the one I can eat, because this is for me. Yeah, so each cut is a quiet promise, a moment where intention meets form, turning patience into purpose. Guide me, oh, the great Jehovah, pilgrim through this barren land. I am weak, but thou art mighty. Hold me with thy powerful hands. Bread of heaven, bread of heaven, feed me now and evermore. Bread of heaven, bread of heaven, feed me now and evermore. Strong deliver, be still my strength and my shield. Strong deliver, be thou still my strength and shield. Songs of praises, I will ever give to thee. Songs of praises, I will ever give to thee. Oh, the name is Bedianawalkerdoings. Bedianawalker vibes on YouTube. As I bring these pies out of the oven, I am reminded that every moment of waiting, every quiet effort, and every small step mattered, because patience always reward us with warmth, beauty, and something worth sharing. From simple beginnings to this golden finish, this meat pie carries more than flavor. It carries hope, consistency, and a gentle reminder that when you trust the process, your work will always speak for itself. I did not use butter, margarine, or any olive oil. I just used sunflower oil, and this is the results of my meat pie. If you are still watching, thank you so much. God bless you, and I love you. Thank you for watching, supporting, and growing with me. Your encouragement is the reason I keep creating. If you love this video, just like, share, and subscribe.